Hello, my name is Felizmina Zela Costa-Coet. I'm from Timor-Leste. When I get information about the Seagull 2017, I was very interested because I believe that from the Seagull I can get a lot of new things in my life, especially for the development of the country, such as leadership training, advanced technology, design critical thinking to solve a problem. In addition, there is also the opportunity to learn the English language and so on. In all these things which made me very interested is to know and more understand about the leadership in Asian country. Firstly, how to become as a top leader full of responsibility and more effective in dealing with a problem, challenge, and give the best solution for the future of the country. Secondly, both broaden my perspective and give me a better understanding of the problem encountered in Southeast Asia. Thirdly, taught me to build a friendship with colleagues from other countries in Asia, open and completing each other, and so on. That's all the reason why I chose the Seagull. A good leader will bring peace in beloved country, will provide and maintain strong relationship with other countries which are in Asia. I really hope to be selected in Seagull 2017. That's all. Thank you very much for the best cooperation.